Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy women beautiful footwear collection. New and attractive designs and ideas of women stylish shoes designs, comfortable shoes designs. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women stylish shoes designs, comfortable shoes designs, casual shoes designs. Amazing designing ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different one another, beautiful and attractive. Those ladies who love such type of shoes designs. If you want to buy these very beautiful women stylish shoes designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful shoes designs online these websites easily in very reasonable price. Most beautiful, most attractive designing ideas you can see in this my video. Highly running ideas you can see. Every types of shoes you can see in this my video. Every design is different one another, beautiful and attractive. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy women stylish shoes designs, comfortable shoes designs, casual wear shoes designs, every types of shoes you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about women footwear. Top designer ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.